Kano Alan Masco otwira mdomuzi wa 303 Brigade yaba nakwasa Office Lieutenant Kano Stephen Kashagama omu district ya Kikuube. Brigade ya General Stephen Mgerwa yashobora ngo Uganda yorecheriro bwire bwa karuru nahabw'ekyo nichetengeso kuzahabuzoramisho okwerinda ekigwerezi ekyabura muringo.
We are going into a dangerous situation. When the DC knows that the coming year and the next is going to be, I think, we shall succeed through you people. You know, when you don't have you people, I don't think that we can succeed.
The biggest strategic strength is the people. It is the reason the Afanders here defeated Obote, who was better armed, better fed, better clothed, better equipped, but they defeated them. So, to us the soldiers, if we forget that critical point of the biggest strength, if we don't learn from them, it doesn't matter how many weapons we have, it doesn't matter how many we are, we shall be defeated, like Obote was defeated.
What civilians means to UPDF? Actually, it is the main weapon, as Afande has said. So really, Afande DC, a request that will be disturbing you. We move to the ground.
Oneness, the jointness, it has made us achieve a lot. As far as we are concerned, our crime rate in the Albertine region is very low, and there are these petty ones which we are managing, and we cannot do much without us as a team working together.
Amlant Musime or RDC wa Kikuube kandi wabali omugyenyi mukuru yagira ngu ekyanga kya Bunyoro nkyetaaga ebyo kwerinda by'amaani ahabwa enshonga z'ekibira kya Bugoma hamwe na projects z'amajuta ebiri kugenda omu maisho.
Central Forest Reserve is here, and the cabinet sometime back sat and they said we should open the boundaries because there are so many other stakeholders who also legally own land there. Like Masuga Limited, they legally own land there. MZ agencies legally own land there.
What we know as the Chamuka, what we know as a country, what we know as a district, there is nobody who will come to interfere with our oil activity down here.
Enkambi ya 303 Brigade neshanga omufamu y'amahe omu itaka eryahirwe ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga omuri Kyangwale. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.